So, what's the taste? Oh, that's it. Hi guys! Ayan! Today, it's mukbang time. Mooncake mukbang time. So, papakita namin sa inyo. Let's go! Ay, before that, we have so many negative comments on the latest our video.
Okay.
They say I'm so baboy.
What's that?
I'm a pig. I know. They say I'm so disgusting. Because what I do to you.
It's okay, you're my wife.
Ay, tama, cannot like that. Okay, let's go. I don't want tama. Tama, cannot like that. They say it's disgusting. It's so baboy. Cannot like that. This is the mooncake container. I mean, container lalagyanan. Container lalagyanan, okay? Pakita natin sa kanila. So, ito nga yun, mooncake. Ito na nga yun, yung box. Ayan. So, let's open. So, when you open, it's like this. Like this. So, sa loob niyan, ito yung mooncake. Ito yung mooncake. I thought we do mukbang. Show them first, right? Okay, like this. Close if you're getting a stick. So, shoulder. So, what flavor is this? What flavor? Golden peanut paste with 1 yolk. Later we do mukbang. Then this, it's premium black with sesame paste. Come here, let's go. So we do mukbang, right? So
Only one?
Show to them first, huh? So we put in the container, then put like this. There you go. Then another one is this one. Because it's Mooncake Festival, right? Okay, Mooncake Festival, is it?
Not mooncake.
It's what that call? This is collagen lemon. Collagen yuzu lemon. Okay, this is okay, go. This is the mooncake. Let's go. Okay, so let's go. Oh, I also never wake up. I just wake up. Okay, let's go. Well, you need to make up. You never do make up. Me, I just wake up actually because I don't have any hilamos yet. So, which one you want to eat? Show to them. Maybe this one. Which one? Maybe this one. Golden pandan paste. Which one you want to eat?
Okay.
This one? Okay. Okay, eat this one. Golden. So, kainin natin yung kakaiba. There's so many negative comments. They bash me there. What you can say? So many negative comments there.
Forget about it.
Why forget about it? Yara, they don't know.
Forget about it.
Hindi nila alam eh. Nagkakain. You know what I say? I say they don't know it. Sakit, kinurot mo ako. Let's go. Come here. So we do open. What are you doing? You say what? Bakit ka daw sinabi yun? Naka-video. It's okay. We're husband and wife. So let's do mukbang. Let's go. Oh, we still have container. Huh? Show to them. Wow. Still, have golden, glittery, shimmering. Kasi may kumikintab eh. Ayan. Okay, let's open na. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Ay! I use my hand. So, we open. How to open? Just like this? Show to them what's the middle. Oh, have egg yolk. You see? Wow. So, ito po yung mooncake. Ayan. Ito yung mooncake. Mooncake. Ayan, ganyan siya. Tapos, in-open ko. Meron siyang, mostly yung mooncake, meron siyang yolk. Oh, you want try one? Come here, try here. You want What's the taste? Taste it. Come here. Sarap. Yung lasa niya, matamis. Ito, white lotus siya. Matamis to. Tapos ito yung salted egg yolk. Yung, anong tawag doon? Itlog ng pula. Ayan.
Reduced sugar, no wonder. Not so sweet.
Not so sweet. But for me, the sweet is fine. Ang
The
sarap.
sweetness.
The sweetness is lesser.
The sweetness is fine, my goodness.
Yours what? So what's the taste? What's the taste? Nice? You want to try? Ang sarap niya, promise. Promise. Nice, right? What? What? Huh? You give to me from your mouth, right? Then give to me. Pakibash po. Pakibash. Okay na nga, that's it. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.